I'm going to show you how to make stir-fried cashew nuts with chicken with rice. Once roasted, cashew nuts bring a pleasant texture and an original flavor. Start by cooking 400 grams of jasmine rice with 40 centiliters of water. We want a rice that is a little less moist than usual. For cooking technique, you can watch my video. For the chicken marinade, remove the skin and bone from the thighs. Keep them to make a broth. Cut the flesh into small chunks. Put them in a bowl. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Combine. The marinade makes the meat tasty and tender. Let it rest while continuing the preparation. Cut the pepper into chunks. To make the dish colorful, combine the colors. Mince an onion, and 2 spring onions. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Chopped garlic is very often used as an aromatic base for Chinese stir-fried dishes. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. For the seasoning sauce, in a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Mix. Beat 2 eggs. The rice is cooked. Aerate it so that there are no small blocks. This dish is most often made with rice left over from the day before. In a pan heated over high heat, put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the beaten egg. Stir for 45 seconds by breaking the egg into small chunks. Keep aside. In the same pan, heat it on medium-low heat, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 150 grams of raw cashew nuts, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Regularly stir for about 5 minutes. They will grill gradually and become crunchy on the outside and remaining slightly tender in the center. Take them out, leaving the oil in the pan. Add half the grated ginger and chopped garlic. Turn to high heat, briefly stir, and add the marinated chicken pieces. Spread them well. Let's sear 1 minute and 30 seconds. Thanks to the oil, the chicken will soak up the scent of the cashew nuts. Flip them over and leave another 1 minute and 30 seconds. The surface of the chicken pieces will be grilled with a delicious flavor. Stir for 10 seconds and keep aside, leaving the oil in the pan. Put the other half of the garlic and ginger. Regularly stir. When they start to be golden, add the onion. Occasionally stir for 1 minute. Add the bell pepper. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Add the rice and the seasoning sauce. Turn to medium heat. Stir for 2 minutes. Add the chicken. Stir another 2 minutes. It is important to use a non-stick pan. In contact with the heat from the bottom of the pan, the ingredients develop and combine their flavors without sticking to the pan. Finally, add the eggs, cashew nuts, and spring onion. Stir for 10 seconds and turn off the heat. Bon appétit! The taste of cashew nuts goes perfectly with the chicken. Stir-fry them briefly with the rice at the end, keeping them crunchy. Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.